Hello, everybody. This is Christy from Kitty_Plans on Instagram. I do memory planning in my A5 wide planner and city stickers inserts. And for this week, this will be the week of February 14th. And I will be using the November 25 mystery kit from the Pretty Pinko. It's just such a very pretty kit. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base and I'll talk to you in a while.
Don't know if you know this too. I'd rather be right here with you. Nothing else matters right now. It's just you and me, boy. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어, 둘이. Don't take your eyes off me, baby. You're the one that I need. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너만을 기다려봤다고. 저 수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게. With you, with you. 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여. 난 something by you, baby. I do anything 줄 수 있어. 다 something by you, baby. You're my favorite part of the day. Baby, you got me going crazy about you, and I can't seem to get over you. 이대로 멈췄으면 좋겠어, 둘이. Please keep your eyes on me, baby. 나만 바라봐줘. 솔직히 말해볼게. 너만을 기다려, 너만을 기다려. 저 수평선.
Alright, so for the base, the rest of the base, I'm using this beautiful sidebar. I just love using the sidebars from the Pretty Pinko's mystery kits. They're so pretty. But then, of course, I put it down crooked. So what I do is cover that crooked area with the big sticker here. And then put in the rest of the full boxes. And then in between the spaces, the full boxes, I really liked where I put the deco in between. And it helps the space, like with the space in between those full boxes. So I think I'll be doing the same thing here on the second page with the big deco on the corner and then some full boxes as well across the page, or diagonally across the page. And then I really love how all like the deco comes together because it's like writing letters, typing letters, and I feel like it all came together well, that the theme is writing love letters, right? So yeah, I think that's about it. And just put down the rest of the foil sampler stickers on this spread, and it turned out so very pretty.
With you, 마지막 순간까지 너와. 저 수평선을 건너 우주 끝까지 가볼게. 마지막 순간까지 너와 눈을 감아도 너만 보여. 난 something by you, baby. I do anything 줄 수 있었다. Something by you, baby. Something by you. Something about you.
Alright, so on Monday, as you can see, there's a lot of space for the deco. I put in a lot of deco on Monday because I didn't have much to do on Monday. So I was listening to Conversations with Friends, which is by Sally Rooney. I just love that author. She's so good with her, like, her characters that are so flawed. And this time as well, it's more about one person's thoughts. We go through her thoughts. And also, the only thing with this book, with these conversations with friends, is of course the trope of continuous cheating. There was also an age gap, and then also the wife being okay with the cheating. So yeah, it's a lot. But I still really like how the like, just reading thoughts of people, of how they deal with these kinds of situation. And what I put is friendship prevails. That's what my my last entry in my like book reviews notebook. All right, and then I did go for a Starbucks run because they had free tall coffee this day, so that's why I got a free tall coffee for Monday. All right, on Tuesday I did pick up some medicine. Oh, we got some medicine for my mother-in-law. She needed to have it, and then I also had a doctor's appointment. Actually, an eye appointment. I need to update my like contacts again, or like my vision as usual. And that night was an open house at my daughter's school, so we got to see her classroom. We got to answer some stuff about her, like getting like, do you know your daughter? But that was fun. I got a high grade for it, so that's good. I know her. So that was a way of looking at all her work in school, and also meeting her teacher and the rest of her friends. All right, so on Wednesday we had another appointment. So this time the furnace maintenance, they came to check our furnace, and yeah, that is done. We need it done. And then also that night we went for my daughter's registration for violin, because for the coming, like, she'll be going into middle school, and I think if they need to choose, like, if they're going to be in a band or like the orchestra, they need to register for what instrument um they'll be taking up. And then I also had a journaling sesh that Wednesday night. Okay, so on Thursday, I did get some happy mail from. I got some happy mail from Hello Petite Paper. Their Black Friday, yeah, it just arrived this February. And she's very, apologetic about it, but it's good now. She'll be shipping from the US, so yeah, that's good. And then I also got something from Jet Pens. What else was I watching? Oh, I was watching the series Steel, where they're like trying to get it's like this violent way of getting money from a bank, right? Like transactions from a bank. And it turns out really violent, but it's a good show. And then what else did I do? I filmed a birthday plan with me. Okay. And then on Friday, it was the UPS sticker sale. So I did a lot of sticker shopping for Blissful Jayde Designs. Yeah. And then if you can see like my scripts from here, those are from her shop. And then I was listening to Bright Years this time. Bright Years was really good as well. It's a very sad story, but it's a feeling of trauma, and I think it's a historical story. I feel like it is, and how a family deals with with some loss, and also some reveals that just comes out at the end. So that is a really good story as well. The Bright Years. And then we got some takeout from Raising Canes. On Saturday, Saturday was actually our anniversary. Yeah, so we didn't do anything really, but it's my wedding anniversary. So I forgot, that I was supposed to like decorate it with, on its own. That's why I just look at how it looks with our anniversary. I think that our anniversary, where did that come from? I forgot. Is it rose-colored days? But yeah, we just got some takeout from, where did Shake Shack maybe? So that was our celebration of sorts. Because we're like thinking there might be a lot of people going out, for the Feb 14th. So And I was watching a lot of Beauty by Starlet. So if you don't watch her, do watch her. She does Hobonichi Weeks videos, and it's so, so good. Oh my gosh. And then we're now on Sunday. We did go out with my husband for some Q ramen. And then I got a massage and more takeout that evening. So yeah, that is it for this week. It's so, so pretty. The pretty pink coat. All the leftovers are here and still a lot. And this is the full spread. So the kit is in gold foil, and I just love how this turned out. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.